Good morning, students. Welcome to GK class. Let's start with chapter 21 Great Minds. Many great thinkers and their ideas have shaped our world. Many of them, like Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King Jr., and Albert Einstein, are well known. Here are some more. René Descartes, French philosopher and mathematician, considered the father of modern philosophy, he is famous for his philosophical declaration, "I think, therefore I am." Voltaire, French philosopher and writer known for his wit, satire, and defense of freedom of religion and expression. He often got into trouble with the authorities for his outspoken views. Karl Marx, German philosopher and revolutionary thinker, best known for his works Das Kapital and the Communist Manifesto, written with Friedrich Engels. Leo Tolstoy, Russian writer and moral thinker whose writings on non-violent resistance influenced leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr., considered among the world's greatest novelists. His most famous works include the epic novel War and Peace and Anna Karenina. Adam Smith, Scottish social philosopher and economist, best known for his landmark book The Wealth of Nations, which laid down a framework for free market economics. Mary Wollstonecraft, English writer who advocated women's equality in her book A Vindication of the Rights of Woman, which demanded educational reforms for women. Rosa Parks, civil rights activist whose refusal to surrender her seat to a white passenger on a bus sparked a movement against the segregation of blacks and whites in the USA. An icon of the civil rights movement, she has been called the First Lady of Civil Rights. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, Indian American astrophysicist, famous for his mathematical theory of black holes and the Chandrasekhar limit, which describes the maximum mass of a white dwarf star. Stephen Hawking, one of the most famous scientists of modern time, he is known for his work on the subject of black holes and the origin of the universe, as well as his best-selling books like A Brief History of Time, which have helped popularize science. All of this despite being almost totally paralyzed due to motor neuron disease. Amartya Sen, Indian economist, known for his work on welfare economics, social choice theory, economic and social justice, as well as on famines, their causes and solutions. He is a recipient of the Nobel Prize 1998 and the Bharat Ratna 1999. Let's start with part 1. Tick the correct option. Number 1. Name the French philosopher best known for his work The Social Contract, in which he argued that government must be based on the consent of the governed? Given options are Voltaire, Rene Descartes, Goethe, and Jean-Jacques Rousseau. And the answer is Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Number 2. Name the book that contains the famous line, "Workers of the world, unite. You have nothing to lose but your chains." Given options are Das Kapital, War and Peace, Candide, and the Communist Manifesto. And the answer is the Communist Manifesto. Number 3. Name the American feminist best known for her book, The Feminine Mystique, 1963, which explored the causes of the frustrations of modern women in traditional roles. Given options are Virginia, Betty Friedan, Rachel Carson, and Simone de Beauvoir. And the answer is Betty Friedan. Number 4. Which Austrian neurologist is known as the father of psychoanalysis, a new approach to understanding the human personality? Given options are Carl Jung, Ernst Mach, Karl Popper, and Sigmund Freud. And the answer is Sigmund Freud. Number 5. A Gandhian who has led the Chipko movement. He is noted for creating Chipko's slogan, "Ecology is permanent economy." Name this Indian environmentalist. Given options are K.S. Karanth, C.P. Bhatt, Anna Hazare, and Sundarlal Bahuguna. And the answer is Sundarlal Bahuguna. Number 6. A newspaper obituary erroneously published before his death called Alfred Nobel, a merchant of death, condemning him for inventing dash. Forced to think about his legacy, he set aside the bulk of his wealth to establish the Nobel Prizes. Given options are dynamite, revolver, DDT, and landmines. And the answer is dynamite. Part 2. Name the thinker or leader who said these words. Use the names at the bottom. A. I do not agree with what you have to say, but I will defend to the death your right to say it. And the answer is Voltaire. B. The fool doth think he is wise, but the wise man knows himself to be a fool. And the answer is Shakespeare. C. Those who deny freedom to others deserve it not for themselves. And the answer is Lincoln. D. For to be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others. And the answer is Mandela. E. Let us pick up our books and pens. They are our most powerful weapons. One teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. And the answer is Malala. F. My goal is simple. It is a complete understanding of the universe, why it is as it is and why it exists at all. And the answer is Stephen Hawking.